Hello students, today we are having the second part of the chapter, lesson 12, that is Robin runs to the wood. Since 2 days we were having the same chapter. The first class also I have explained the beginning part of the chapter, and yesterday's class I have taken the second part. And today we shall have the last part. That's the third part of the lesson. Okay. I hope you have understood the previous classes. So, just we have a look at what we have learned the last lesson. So, what is who is an outlaw? I have explained in the first class who is an outlaw. That is, one who is punished and doesn't get the protection of law is called an outlaw. So Robin was an outlaw. Okay, that means he was punished and doesn't get the protection from any law. Okay, so the rich men and the sheriff hated Robin Hood. The sheriff declared a big prize and to find out the best shooter. So you are remembering the story, no? And Robin also was going to participate in the match, the shooting match that we have seen in the yesterday's class. The king's men were sitting and eating, drinking under an oak tree in the Sherwood forest. So when he has to go to the Nottingham, the place, and he had to pass through the forest, the Sherwood forest. So while he was passing, he saw some of the men were sitting under the oak tree and eating and chatting and drinking. So they were teasing this Robin. That is what we saw yesterday's class. Okay. So Robin, so what was the bet? Robin killed a deer and won the bet in the Sherwood forest. They had the men and the Robin Hood among them. They had the bet. If Robin told that I can bet that I am a good shooter and I am able to shoot the deer, one who was passing through the forest. So the men told that if you are able to kill that deer, and we can give you the silver coins. How many silver coins it is written in the textbook? How many silver coins it is written in the textbook? 20 silver coins. Okay, so that is what the bet among the Robin and the men, king's men. So the men said to get out of the place if he didn't want to be caught. Finally, what is the story? The men did not want to give the silver coins. They told that if you don't want to be caught, you have to run away from the forest. That is what the men told to the Robin. The men said to get out of the place if he didn't want to be caught. So what is you remember the announcement of the king? If anybody kill any animal in the forest, they are supposed to be caught by the men and to be killed. That is the punishment by the king. So now what the Robin did? The Robin killed the deer. So he was supposed to get the punishment from the king. So the men told that you are to be punished by the king, and if you don't want to get the punishment, you can run away from the place, and we are not ready to give the silver coins. So Robin felt that he was cheated by the men. Okay, that is till that we have finished the previous class. So we will continue with the last part of the lesson, that is on page number 70. You can also open when I read the lesson so that you can look at the words, and if you have any difficult words, we can open the dictionary and find out. Otherwise, I am also explaining to you. So page number 70. Robin realized they didn't mean to pay the bet. He walked off without a word. So he understood that he was cheated by the men, and he walked off. Walked off means he moved away from them. That is the meaning comes here. Okay. But the man who made the bet watched Robin Hood walking away. He put an arrow his bow. Swoom! The arrow flew fast. Robin barely missing his head. Robin Hood turned up and pulled back the string of the bow. Oh! There arose a loud cry among the king's men. The one man who had shot at Robin fell down. The arrow had pierced his heart. So what did Robin do? He took his arrow and shot the one of the men. And his heart was pierced, and you can imagine that he might have died. He had fell down and died. Robin ran as fast as he could. He knew that he had done what he had done. He had killed the king's men. So he understood that he had killed the men, and the man has already died. He knew that a hunt would be only shortly, and if he would lose his life. He didn't go back to his uncle's house. He didn't turn up for the sheriff's shooting match. So what did he do finally? Neither he went to his uncle's place, nor he go to the sheriff's shooting place. If he go there, both places if he go, he would surely, the king's men will catch him, and they will kill him. It was sure enough. So he didn't go back the both places. Which places he didn't go? He didn't go to his uncle's place, nor he went to the sheriff's shooting place. So we can imagine that he was a bit scared of. Okay, so Robin lived in the forest with a group of men. More and more people joined him. They never hurt women or children. So the last paragraph of the chapter is telling that Robin lived in the forest with a group of men. So where did Robin live thereafter? Thereafter, Robin lived in the forest. Okay, hidingly, because the king's men see him, they will surely kill him. So he was hiding and staying in the forest. More and more people joined him. He was a good man. Okay, again in the beginning of the chapter we see that Robin was a very good man. He was very helpful. He was helping the poor people. So the rich men were very jealous of him, and they wanted to kill him also, and the sheriff's men also were not fond of Robin. In the beginning of the chapter we can see that. Okay, so more and more people joined him. They never hurt women or children. They never did any harm to the women or young children. But the sheriff and the bishop wanted to catch Robin. So who wanted to catch Robin? The sheriff and the bishop. The sheriff sent 100 men to the forest to catch him. So how many men the sheriff sent to the forest to catch Robin? 100 men. So they knew that Robin was in the forest. They wanted to catch him and kill him. That's the first chapter. I hope, dear children, you have understood the lesson. It's a very simple lesson. I have taken 3 classes to explain this particular chapter. And you remember, Robin was the early days, he was not an outlaw, but he was staying with his uncle. So, by mistake, he had killed the deer. It is not knowingly he killed the deer, but you remember the story, you can understand who made him to kill the deer. The people who are talking and sitting under the oak tree, the king's men were told Robin to kill the deer. It was a bet, So that is why he killed the deer. It is not his mistake, but he became an outlaw. And you remember that so many people joined him, and he had so many friends to support him, and also he helping the last lesson, the last lines of the chapter, we can see that the women and the children he was helping. The poor people also he was helping. So we can imagine that how nice man he was. Okay, so thank you students for listening, and also I will explain to you today. I have given the question answer in the video. You will be writing it down, the word meanings and the question answers in your notebook. Okay, so you can take the page number 71. Filling the blanks. In the Sherwood forest there dashed an outlaw named Robin Hood. You will fill lived, L-I-V-E-D, there lived, okay? You will write it with a pencil in the textbook. When you write in the copy, you are supposed to write with a pencil, okay? So the next question of the filling the blanks is, the sheriff dash a big prize for the best shooter. The sheriff declared the same meaning is it comes announced, okay? So you can write here declared, okay? Now the third filling the blanks is, nobody was allowed to dash an animal in the forest. Nobody was allowed to shoot, S-H-O-O-T, shoot, okay? So the next one is, Robin Hood told them that he was dashed to the sheriff's shooting match. He was going, G-O-I-N-G, going to the sheriff's shooting match. Okay, the last filling the blanks is, Robin ran, dash as he could. Robin ran as fast as he could. That is what we see. So that's the filling the blanks which is given here. Okay, that's all today, students. You will be learning. I have already told yesterday to learn the word meanings. Very few are here. That also you will learn. And today I gave you the filling the blanks. Very few. You will be learning it that. And you will be writing it down, the question answers from the video which I have given the previous class. So writing it in the copy very neatly. Okay. Thank you students for listening.